We're going to demonstrate an argument where we don't use the right methods of
Right.
talking to each other. We start to get angry, critical, a little contemptuous, defensive, all the stuff you're not supposed to do.
Right.
And then,
How to repair.
so did you read that text I sent you, that article?
Yeah.
Yeah? What'd you think of it? Because I thought it was really terrific.
I thought it was stupid.
What?
Yeah, really.
You thought it was stupid?
Sophomoric. I mean, ridiculous.
Hey, you're talking about something that I thought was really terrific and intelligent and made some really good points. So, don't call it stupid.
It was stupid.
It wasn't. God.
Come on.
Honey, it's like you're calling me stupid. I don't like that.
I'm not calling you stupid. I'm
Yes, you
calling.
are.
You didn't write the article.
Yeah, but I liked the article. So?
I guess you're stupid too.
Oh my God. That is such an insult. You know what? You are a jerk right now.
Well-
you don't have an open mind. You've got a little teeny weeny narrow skinny
I've got
mind.
an open mind. It's open enough to notice when something is an absurd argument.
Oh my God.
You know, just-
You've got to be kidding.
That's my opinion. Yes, my opinion.
Not about me, but everything that you're saying is insulting to me. And I don't like it. You are being mean and nasty, and I don't like it.
All right. Let's take a step back here. I'm sorry. I called it stupid. I apologize.
Really?
We can talk about the article later, but I didn't mean to call you stupid.
Well, that's how it felt to me.
No, I don't think you're stupid at all. I think you're brilliant.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
And I think I should probably apologize too, because I called you mean. And you're not mean.
Thank you. I
You're really
appreciate that.
not a mean person. And I don't know. I guess when my feelings get hurt, I just get counterattacking.
Yeah, I
And
don't
that was-
blame you. I mean,
But that wasn't a good thing for me to do, and I'm
Okay.
sorry. I shouldn't have done that.
okay. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So we call that making a repair, where you know the conversation has gotten off the right track and you say something to your partner to get it back on the right track, and then see if your partner accepts that, right?
Right. One of the most powerful repairs that we discovered in studying repair is taking responsibility, even for a small part of the problem that you've created. That's just very, very effective.